Hey everybody, this is Mr. Porter. I wanted to get on here real quick and let you all know about the assignment coming up for the AMI days 16 through 20 that we will be completing this week. So anyway, it's a two-part assignment. What we're doing is, and you know how I like to have you guys put yourself into the shoes of a somebody, like a CEO or somebody at a company that does the training or has the pull to make decisions on certain things. So anyway, this assignment this week is a two-part assignment. You are going to be whoever the head of training would be, some kind of a manager or something as far as that company is concerned. And what you're going to be doing with this particular assignment is going to be making up a script for the employees to use when they answer the phone in your particular at your particular business. I have included examples for this particular assignment. You are going to come up with 5 to 6 steps that they would use when answering the phone. Okay, like number one, answer the telephone promptly. So if you hear it ring, they know to answer that phone as soon as they hear it ring. If they are indeed over that particular department. So the second thing is something like identifying yourself, so they know who the customer knows who they're talking to, and then so on and so forth. I want you to come up with an original document, something on your own. You are going to include at least 3 different graphics or pictures on it, something that is company related. So you could do a letterhead or something else. I'm going to leave that up entirely to you. Make sure that the instructions are legible. You can read them and they go in order, so the people that work for you don't have to guess what they're supposed to do. It comes off as pretty easy, and it's something they can study. So this will be kind of a poster, or some kind of a paper that's going to be by the phones at your particular company that they would use, a scripted order of operations for them to use if they are answering the phone for your particular business. So anyway, that will be assignment number 1. You're going to use a either Microsoft Word or you can use Google Doc on this particular one. I'm not going to be as picky on that anymore because of the circumstance that we find ourselves in. I just want you to be able to get the assignment done. So anyway, that will be assignment 1. I have instructions listed on Schoology for you. So you can get as much as you can from my video here, or you can go back, go over Schoology, and I have everything written up as well. But like any time, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer anything for you. But after seeing the example on Schoology, I think it's going to make it a lot easier for you all. Anyway, that's part 1 of the assignment. Okay, that is to be completed by Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you have to complete that assignment. Days 1 and 2 we'll treat like we did last week, and you'll have those as check-in days. Just let me know what you've accomplished as far as the assignment goes. And if you get it all done, then make sure that you're just letting me know some of the steps that you came up with. Make sure that you're submitting something for each day, though. That's how I'm trying to take attendance right now with this class. All right, so assignment 1 is a telephone answering script, something that you would put out for your employees to use to answer the phone, since, when people call your business, these people that they'll be talking to, your employees, will be the voice of your business, and you want to have the best trained staff that you can to make your business sound professional and make sure they get connected to the right people. All right. Part 2 of the assignment. So if they call up and they ask for somebody and they're not there, they're going to have to leave a message. So part 2 of the assignment is going to be a message, a phone message form for them to use to write down the contact information and get that information, that slip, that sheet to the intended person that they wanted to talk to. So they call up asking for, a particular person, you want to be able to have your employees write down the information, the contact information, phone number, and the time they called, and so on and so forth, and get that down for them, and then get it to the necessary person, the intended person they wanted to call. So anyway, I've got a link to a page of templates on there, so you can look at those and then just pick one that you like, and then try to come up with something that resembles that. This does not have to be a big, difficult thing. You're not taking down a bunch of information here. Just make sure you keep it short and sweet, and make it to where, whenever you get it to the person that they intended to contact, they can just read over that real quick, and they know exactly what they need to do and who they need to contact. So anyway, information on that is on your Schoology as well. Like I said, I've got a link to a template sheet. It's got 20 plus templates on there. It gives you different ideas of what a phone return message sheet would look like. So anyway, wanted to let you all know that assignment will be due on Friday. So you'll have Thursday and Friday to complete that after you get done with the first assignment with the script. So anyway, if you have any questions about any of that, let me know, and I'll be around if you need me. Thank you very much. See you guys.